In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Format Painter in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. In my example, I'm going to show you how to copy the formatting of this first paragraph. I want to copy what it looks like and apply it to the rest of them. You can easily do this. Select the paragraph, then click Format Painter. Then you're going to click and drag over the rest of the text. And now it will mirror the properties of the first paragraph. You can use the Format Painter even quicker. Select the paragraph, then press Alt-Control-C. Then select the rest of the paragraphs and press Alt-Control-V, and it will copy the formatting properties of the first paragraph. The Formatting Painter also works for shapes. Select the first shape, click Format, then click the next shape, and it will copy the properties of that shape and apply it to the next shape. Pictures can also use the Format Painter. Select the first image, then click Format Painter and select the next image. If this video has helped you better understand how to use the Format Painter, then give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about other hidden Word features, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.